What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to record your PC's output audio. While there are multiple methods available, we'll be using Audacity. Audacity is a free and powerful audio recording software that you can download from its official website. Before starting, close Audacity if you already have it open. Now, right-click on the sound icon in the bottom right corner of your screen and select Sound Settings. Alternatively, you can open the Settings app, navigate to Sound, and scroll down until you see More Sound Settings. Click on it to open the classic sound control panel. Once here, go to the Recording tab. Right-click on an empty space within the list of devices and select Show Disabled Devices. Scroll down until you see Stereo Mix. This is your computer's internal audio source. Right-click on Stereo Mix, select Enable, and then right-click on it again to choose Properties. In the Listen tab, ensure that Listen to this device is disabled. Then click OK and press OK again to save your settings. Now, open Audacity. In the top menu, click on Audio Setup. Go down to Recording Device and select Stereo Mix from the list. Once that's set, start recording, and your computer's internal audio will be captured. To test it, play a video or audio file, and you will see Audacity recording the sound in real time. When you stop playing, the recording will also stop. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.